Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Betta fish tanks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tetra Crescent Acrylic Aquarium Kit. Standing out for its crescent-shaped design, the Tetra is a fun place for your Betta to call home. And he will also get plenty of space to swim, thanks to the 5-gallon capacity and long tank design. Plus, as it has no seams in the design, the curved shape of the tank sets off your pretty Betta and enables you to have a lovely clear view at most angles. It is lit well too, thanks to the energy-efficient LED lights set in the plastic lid for a low-profile illumination, although you may need to add a few more LED lights if you want to include natural plants. Inside the tank there is a biobag filter, but you will need to buy a heater and thermometer separately to make the kit complete for your tropical Betta. And the tank is made from acrylic rather than glass, and is lightweight and sturdy, although it can scratch if you are not careful. As a starter aquarium kit for Betta fish that would look good in your home, overall this is a well-priced tank that can also be used for smaller fish. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Marina LED Aquarium Kit. This is a well-thought-out starter aquarium kit, designed to work with a wide range of smaller fishes, and is easy to set and use by an aquarium beginner. Although there is no heater included, you do get pretty much everything else you need to set up a happy home for your Betta. The 20-gallon capacity is ideal for a solo Betta, allowing room for a few shrimp friends and aquatic plants. This Betta tank is a well-sized long, slim shape too, giving your shallow swimming Betta plenty of space to naturally move around. In the secure fitting canopy, you get LED lights to create a natural daylight effect, which also helps any plants bloom. The filter is slimline and clips onto the side, and the cartridges are easy to change. Add in fluval fish food, water conditioner, and cycle supplement, and you can get the right healthy balance in the water environment, making this one of the best Betta fish tanks in our review. At number 3, we have the Aqueon Princess Castle Aquarium Kit. As a desk or countertop novelty ornament, this cute Princess Castle Aquarium Kit is lovely to look at and will appeal to the youngster in your life. But at around 1/2 gallon capacity, this eye-catching fish tank is sized for very small or juvenile Bettas only. Or it could be used as a temporary holding mini aquarium to supplement your full-sized Betta fish tanks. The tank is made from lightweight acrylic with a castle-shaped lid that also features a handy feeding hole. Inside you get decorative gravel and an aquarium plant to get you started, although add a fish and there is very little room for anything else. There's no heater or filter included, but you do get a couple of water conditioner samples to get this mini Betta fishbowl up and running. At number 2, we have the Higher Horizon LED Glass Aquarium Kit. The largest of our Betta fish tanks, the Higher Horizon is a sizable and good-looking aquarium any Betta would be happy to call home. Made from 5mm thick glass, with a curved glass front, the clarity of view is impressive, and thanks to the landscape design, gives your Betta ample space to swim around all day. This aquarium also tops the cool Betta fish tanks list thanks to the clever 3D rockery mountain background that adds a nice touch of outdoor atmosphere to catch your eye. The lighting is pretty cool too, thanks to the digital controlled 18-watt LED lights, that offers a choice of white, blue and red light combinations, taking you and your Bettas from day to night. Add in the super quiet filter and water pump for water quality control and you almost have the perfect Betta home. Buy a heater and thermometer and you are pretty much there. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tetra LED Betta Tank Kit. The eye-catching trapezoid shape of this 1-gallon fish aquarium kit sets it apart and would look good on a desk or kitchen countertop. The size means it is only sufficient for a solo small Betta, or it could be used as a holding tank when needed. The tank and lid are made from clear, durable plastic, while the black base plinth has a built-in LED light so the whole aquarium is illuminated from below for a natural glow. For the price you get enough to set up a basic tank for a Betta, but you will need to buy extras such as a heater and filter to make it more of a permanent home. But we liked the extra touch of the glass stones, which helped the underlight to bring out the best in your colorful Betta.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon